Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix HTTPS boot fail to initialize network connection error fix in Dell laptop. This issue often occur due to incorrect BIOS setting or fail to drive. There is only one causes for this problem, either the hard disk or incorrect BIOS settings. To fix this problem, follow my all steps. Don't skip the video. First, restart your laptop and immediately tap the F2 key to the enter BIOS settings. After entering the BIOS settings, navigate to storage option. After entering the storage option, two options are displayed. One is SATA 0 and other is M2 SSD. Ensure that both are turned on, and one more thing to check is to ensure that either RAID mode and ACI mode is enabled. Make sure that at least one of them is activated. Then save the BIOS settings by selecting apply changes and finally exit the BIOS by selecting exit. This could also be due to another problem. The problem is adjust boot priority. In the BIOS settings, navigate to boot sequence and boot order. Move Windows Boot Manager or primary hard disk in the top of the list. Then save the BIOS setting. Hopefully when the computer is, it will start up without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.